This is 2008 Dodge Caliber SXT. If your Dodge Caliber's windows are not working, maybe it's not your window motor. And maybe it's not your window switch on the passenger side. On this car, this window goes up and down, but this one, when I use the driver's side switch, it only goes down, it's not gonna go up. When I use this passenger side switch, it's not gonna go up and down. First I thought the problem is the window motor, but window motor is working good. There's a connector here, orange violet and orange black wire are two wires going to the window motor. I connected this battery plus and minus to those two wires, and it went down, and then I reversed the polarity and then it went up, so the window motor is good. The second, I thought the problem is this switch on the passenger side, but before that I swapped the main switch on the driver's side, and now it goes up and down. See, this new main switch fixed the problem, because the battery positive goes through this switch and goes through this passenger side switch and then go to the window motor. So if you're having problem, maybe your problem is the main master switch on the driver's side.